So we're going to go do some settings real quick.
Yeah, people are asking about how to make it private. Is making it private, but it's very easy to show you. So here I am back at my what have I done? And yeah, maybe I do want this one to be a personal journal. So I go into settings, and there's a bunch of settings here. You could just review them all. And it's about who can read it, permissions, reader access. The default is public, but if I click there, I can make it private to authors and save. So now if I go to another, I'm going to go to an incognito window. So that means I am logged out of everywhere. And Chris G lifestory.blogspot.com, it'll say, I'm not going to show it to you until you log in and prove that you're the author of this blog. So that's how that works.